White plays the bird opening, and you know what's coming. You strike with a from Gambit T5. A few normal moves later, and it looks like white is doing fine. But you play rook e8, and then knight g4. They ignore the warning signs. You sacrifice your knight. Knight take the pawn. White plays the bird opening, aiming for kingside expansion. Black replies with the aggressive from Gambit, sacrificing a pawn for rapid development and attacking chances. Black recovers the pawn while developing the bishop to an active square. Both sides develop naturally, but notice black is already castled and ahead in king safety. A key preparatory move, rook e8 eyes the e-line and sets up a coming knight jump. Black check with queen. Without doubt, white take the queen with knight. White might think it's just an annoying threat, but it's the beginning of the trap. Now the pin begins. The bishop on g4 targets. The knight on h4 already open line white bishop and threatens chaos if white isn't careful. Black's queen jumps to h4, a check and bait at the same time. Looks like a simple queen sortie, but it's actually a sacrifice in disguise. White takes the queen, thinking they're winning, but black responds with bg3+, a devastating check using the bishop. White tries to block with the queen, but it's too late. Black finished the game with bishop f to underscore checkmate. A flawless display of patience. Like that trap. There's more where that came from. Subscribe now, and never fall for a cheap trick again.